Hello guys, I am Vishwanath Yadav. I am going to explain representation of a real number on a straight line, geometrical meaning of inequality, intervals and related problems in today's lecture.
All real numbers can be plotted on a straight line. अब जस्तो हामीलाई 3 लाई प्लट गर्नु छ त्यो एउटा फिक्स पोइन्ट लिए जसलाई 0 ले रिप्रेजेन्ट गरे त्यसपछि यसको युनिट लेन्थ यो भएकोले यो पोइन्टलाई 1 ले रिप्रेजेन्ट गरेछु अब 3 रिप्रेजेन्ट गर्नु छ त्यो लेन्थको 3 टाइम्स त्यो लेन्थको डबल लेन्थमा भएको यो पोइन्टलाई 2 ले रिप्रेजेन्ट गर्नुपर्छ किनभने यसको डबल लेन्थ हो देन यसको ट्रिपल लेन्थ 3. So 3 represents this point, number represents point. Each number represents a unique point. 3 represents this point. यो बाहेक अर्को पोइन्टलाई 3 ले रिप्रेजेन्ट गर्दैन जब हामीले फिक्स नम्बर 0 र त्यसको युनिट लेन्थ डिसाइड गरेपछि यो 3 रिप्रेजेन्ट गर्ने यो पोइन्ट बाहेक अर्को पोइन्ट हुन सक्दैन त्यसैले के भन्छु each real number represents a unique point on a straight line represents कुनै पनि यस्तो नम्बर यदि प्लट गर्नु पर्यो भने यसै बेसमा अब जस्तो मानौ हामीलाई पोइन्ट 1 प्लट गर्नु छ मानौ सपोज क्वेशन इज represent the number 0.1 on the number line. यो लेन्थलाई 10 इक्वल पार्टमा डिभिजन गर 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So this point can be represented by the number 0.1. So each point represents, each real number represents a unique point. अब कुनै पोइन्ट छ अब मानौ हामीलाई यो पोइन्ट रिप्रेजेन्ट गर्नु छ यो लाइनको यो लेन्थको हाफमा हुने यहाँदेखि यहाँसम्म यो पोइन्टको डिस्टेन्स हो 3 मिन्स यो लाइन सेगमेन्टको लेन्थ हो 3 को हाफ 3 को हाफ गर्दा देयर इज अ पोइन्ट त्यो पोइन्ट 1.5 ले रिप्रेजेन्ट गर्न सकिन्छ सो इच पोइन्ट रिप्रेजेन्ट्स अ युनिक रियल नम्बर यो 1 पोइन्ट बाहेक 0.5 बाहेक अर्को कुनै रियल नम्बरले यो पोइन्टलाई रिप्रेजेन्ट गर्न सकिदैन त्यहाँ के भन्न मिल्छ एन्ड each point of a straight line represents a unique real number. Each real number represents a unique point and each point represents a unique real number. अब जस्तो यसलाई 10 इक्वल पार्टमा डिभिजन गरेछु यसको फोर्थ पार्ट के हुन्छ 0.4 यो पोइन्टलाई 0.4 बाहेक अर्को नम्बरले रिप्रेजेन्ट गर्न सकिदैन त के भन्न सकिन्छ each point of a straight line represents a unique real number. So point र रियल नम्बरमा 1-to-1 correspondence हो 1-to-1 correspondence means each real number represents a unique point and each point of a straight line represents a unique real number. So point and real number these are interchangeable. Interchange गर्दा पनि फरक पर्दैन सेम सेन्स हुन्छ यदि स्ट्रेट लाइनको पोइन्टको डिस्कसन गर्नु छ भने we are discussing about the real numbers. What is the geometrical meaning of 2 is less than 3? 2 and 3 both are real numbers. When you represent them by a unique point of a straight line, to represent them, first we take a number representing 0, then the scale on the basis of which we plot all real numbers. 2, 3, double of this 2, then 3. 2 less than 3 indicates the position of point 2 is less than the point representing the number 3. Means its position is on the left side of 3. 2 less than 3 represents less than 3. What is its geometrical meaning? The position of the point representing, indicating the number 2 lies on the left side of the point representing the number 3. On a straight line, the position of 2 is on the left side of 3. Or we can say the position of the point representing the number 3 lies on the right side of 2. This is the geometrical meaning. A straight line ma plot garda we observe this. जुनसुकै लेसमा जस्तो -1, opposite side of these numbers equidistant from 0 can be represented by taking negative sign. तो यो point को distance unit distance छ 0 बाट represent गर्दा sign use गर्छु -1. opposite side भएकोले right side plus छ भने left side minus. This is the sign convention for representing the number -2. These all are real numbers. If we write -1 is left side of 0 and 0 is left side of 1. So what is the geometrical meaning of this? The position of the point 0 indicating the number 0 this inequality represents the position of the point indicating the number 0 lies -1 less than 0 less than 1 indicates the position of the point indicating the number 0 lies on the right side of -1 and the left side of 1. 0 is a point It lies on the right side of -1 and left side of +1. Between 0 and 1, how many numbers can be inserted? If this is the question, 0 is less than 1. So between 0 and 1, how many real numbers are possible to insert? If this is the question, what is your answer? 0 is less than 1. If we divide this part into 10 equal parts, then first is 0.1, then 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, like this. So 0 is less than 0.1, less than 0.2, less than 0.3, less than 0.4, less than 0.5, like this. So only these are not the numbers. 0.1 is very close to 0. In the same way, between these two numbers, infinite numbers are possible. If we divide into 10 equal parts, for convenience, we are dividing into 10 equal parts so that easily we write the numbers indicating those points. 0.01, 0.02, 0.03, 0.09, 0.01 is very close to 0. Again, if the question is how many numbers are possible to insert between 0 and 0.01, in the same fashion, infinite. All of them are not possible to list. Listing method is not possible to represent these all. So between any two real numbers, whatever be the distance between them, infinite real numbers can be inserted. This property of real number is called dense property. If A and B are any two real numbers such that A is less than B, then there exists a real number C such that A is less than C less than B. Whatever be these two, if you are taking these two, A and B have very small difference, like 0.01 and 0. These two have difference of only 0.01. Even then, how many real numbers? There exists a real number. Or real number is not only one real number. Infinite real numbers. Any real number can be inserted between A and C, one real number. Again, if we insert, suppose C, between A and C, another real number is D. Then between A and D, another real number E. In this way, infinite real numbers can be inserted between two real numbers. And so, this property is called dense property. R is dense. Set R is, if we are writing any two real numbers, then there are three possibilities. Whatever be the real numbers, if we are taking any two real numbers, then either A will be less than B. A को पोजिशन नंबर लाइन में हुन सक्छ, B को लेफ्ट साइड में, और यदि लेफ्ट साइड में छैन भने A र B को सेम पोजिशन हुन सक्छ, A is equal to B, or A is greater than B. A B को राइट साइड में हुन सक्छ. Out of these three, only one can hold at a time. This is called order axiom. Kunai pani two real numbers, if you are taking, only one can hold out of these three, whether the point A lies on the left side of B or A and B represent the same point or A lies on the right side of B. A straight line is complete with the help of real numbers. All points can be represented by real numbers. So set of points can be considered, set of line segments can be considered, which are called intervals. What is interval? Let A and B be any two real numbers such that A is less than B. Then the position of real number representing A lies on the left side of the real number representing B. Then the set of all points on a straight line between A and B is called an interval. The real numbers A and B are the end points of the interval. So if we represent on a straight line the real numbers A and B and also interval, whole straight line is the set of real numbers, so it is represented by R. Both sides it can be extended. A is less than B. Set of all points on a straight line between A and B. So right side of A and left side of B, all points को सेट हो इंटरवल. सो के यो सेटलाई लिस्टिंग मेथडबाट लेख्न सकिन्छ? इट इज नट पोसिबल. ए को जस्ट राइट साइडमा भएको रियल नम्बर, जस्ट राइट साइडमा भएको पोइन्ट वी क्यान नट राइट. द्याट्स वाइ लिस्टिंग मेथड इन दिस केस इज नट पोसिबल. Only set builder form is possible. If the end points are also the points of the interval, then such interval is called closed interval. If the end points, both end points are excluded, both end points are not the points of the interval, then that point is called open, that interval is called open interval. So we can define the closed interval as A and B be any two real numbers such that A is less than B, then the set of all points on a straight line let A and B be any two real numbers such that A is less than B, then the set of all points on a straight line lying on the right side of A and left side of B together with the end points A and B is called the closed interval, denoted by this square bracket AB. On graph, if we represent this all points of the line which are right side of A, so A को right side, B को left side, including A and B together with A and B. So this bold part of the line segment represents the closed interval. It is the set of points which are on the right side of A, left side of B, including A and B, including end points A and B. So closed interval contains end points also. Its notation is by big bracket we represent the closed interval. So in fact closed interval is the set of points of a line segment. It represents a line segment. AB is a line segment. So line segment को all points लाई represent गर्छ. रियल लाइन को इन्डलेस हुन्छ, इन्टरभल को इन्ड पोइन्ट्स पनि हुन्छ, त्यसैले यसले लाइन सेगमेन्ट को पोइन्ट लाई रिप्रेजेन्ट गर्छ. Symbolically, the closed interval can be defined as closed interval AB is a set of real number x such that A is less or equal to x, less or equal to b. It is the set of all real numbers which are greater or equal to a, less or equal to b. So this definition can also be written in set builder form. Take an example. Closed interval 4, 5. We should state it like this. The closed interval having left end point 4 and right end point 5. It is the set of all real numbers which are greater or equal to 4, less or equal to 5. अब इसको ग्राफिकल रिप्रेजेंटेशन 4 to 5 स्ट्रेट लाइन में represent the number 4 and 5. ये कंडीशन छ क्लोज्ड इंटरवल 4, 5 को इज द सेट ऑफ x बिलोंगिंग टू r. सेट ऑफ x बिलोंगिंग टू r मीन्स त्यो रियल नंबर को पॉइंट होनु पर्छ, मीन्स स्ट्रेट लाइन को पॉइंट होनु पर्छ. त्यो पॉइंट कहाँ को होनु पर्छ? 4 को राइट साइड को x को भ्यालु इन्क्लुडिङ 4, 4 को राइट साइड इन्क्लुडिङ 4, लेफ्ट साइड of 5 the value of x is also equal to 5. So from 4 to 5 all points of straight lines are values of x, are the elements of the closed interval. So this is graphical representation of the closed interval with left end point 4 and right end point 5. The open interval with left end point A and right end point B denoted by this is defined as open interval AB. Open interval AB is the set of real number x such that A is less than x, less than b. If we represent on a straight line this open interval, the set of all points of a straight line as usual is represented by r. A is less than b. So the position of point representing A lies on the left side of the point representing B. Condition is real number x means point lies on the right side of A. The value of x is right side of A. X is less than b, so element of the open interval lies on the left side of b. X is not equal to a or x is not equal to b, so end points are excluded. अब यसलाई रिप्रेजेन्ट गरेछ भ्याकेन्ट बबलले. ए र बी यो एन्ड पोइन्ट्स इन्टरभल को पोइन्ट होइन, तर ए को जस्ट राइट साइड को कुन हो त्यो पनि भन्न सकिदैन. त्यसैले यो इन्टरभल लेख्दा ए र बी को युज भएको छ. तर ए र बी यो इन्टरभलको पोइन्ट होइन, यो कन्डिसनले गर्दा। कन्डिसन के भन्दैछ, लाइनको त्यो रियल नम्बर हुनुपर्छ विच आर राइट साइड अफ ए, लेफ्ट साइड अफ बी, but not A and B. But what will be the right side? Just right side is not predictable as R is dense. So just right side लेख्न सकिँदैन, त लिस्टिङ मेथड यसमा पोसिबल पनि हुँदैन। So we are using A and B, but these are not the points of the open interval. Take an example, open interval 2, 3. If you have to plot, the number 2 represents point, 3 also represents point. This point lies on the left side of 3. This open interval contains those real numbers, means those points of line which are on the right side of 2 and left side of 3. So this shaded part represents the set of points of open interval 2, 3. Left closed and right open interval. The left closed and right open interval the left closed and right open interval with end points A and B denoted by this square bracket is used representing left end point is closed and right end point B as being a small bracket indicates it is open, is defined as it is the set of real number such that x lies greater or equal to A. The real numbers lies on the right side of A including A, left side of B, and in graph A is less than B, A is less than B as A is the left end point of the interval, so A must be less than B. The value of x can be taken A and also right side of A, left side of B, but real number is not equal to B. So right bubble representing number B is vacant, whereas left is filled up, as the left end point is the point of the interval, but the right end point is not the value of x, it is not the point of the interval. So यसको graphical representation यस्तो मेथडबाट गर्न सकिन्छ। एक्जाम्पलमा we may take this is left closed, right open interval. One side closed छ, other side open. One end point included छ, other end point excluded. त्यसलाई half open पनि भन्न मिल्छ, or we can also say it is half closed. त्यसलाई half open or half closed also we can say. In the same way, we can define left open and right closed interval. The left open and right closed interval with end points A and B, with end points A and B denoted by left open, right closed. Bracket change गर्ने, यो open a small bracket, यो B closed छ big bracket, It is the set of those real numbers which are on the right side of A, left side of B, including B. Take example, left open, right closed interval. So it is the set of all points, all real numbers which are on the right side of 2 and left side of 3, including 3. So this is the graphical representation of left open, right closed interval. It can also be called half open interval or half closed interval. Let A be a closed interval with left end point -2 and right end point 4. And B is half open interval. Its left end point is closed, right end point is open. So intervals are set of points of a straight line. These are the set of points of a line segment. We have to find the union of these two: intersection, difference, symmetric difference, complement. Complement of A and complement of B. तो यस्तो क्वेश्चन गर्ने मेथड यहाँ युज भएको एन्ड पोइन्ट्सलाई arrange in ascending order, only end points. So what are the end points? -2, 4, 3, 5. In both intervals, these 4 points have been used. Arrange them in ascending order. The first ma smallest -2, त्यसपछि 3, then 4 and 5. Write them in ascending order and represent these numbers on a straight line, as these are representing point of a straight line. The -2 smallest, then 3 -2 banda greater, so it lies on the right side of -2, 4, then 5. And whole a straight line is R. A is the closed interval -2 to 4. So it is the set of all points from -2 to 4, including -2 and 4 as being the closed interval, just I have explained. Now set B. B is left closed, right open. So it is the set of all points from -3 to 5, but not 5. So A को पार्ट -2 देखि 4 all points straight line को. अब कसैले भन्छ -2 then -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. करेक्ट हो, तर त्यति मात्रै हुँदैन, त्यो बाहेक इन्फाइनाइट पोइन्ट्स हो. लिस्टिङ मेथड इज नट पोसिबल इन केस अफ द क्लोज्ड इन्टरवल -2 to 4, and also it is not possible listing method in case the left closed, right open interval 3 to 5. Only set builder form is possible, and we are finding their union, intersection, difference. A union B. This closed interval -2 to 4 is the set of all real numbers which are greater or equal to -2, less or equal to 4, union left closed right open interval, it is the set of all real numbers x which are greater or equal to 3, less than 5. The union of two sets while forming that contains those elements which belong to first set or second set. At least one of the sets, if contains the elements, we can take in the union of these two sets. So -2 देखि 4 सम्म को टोटल एलिमेंट यो सेट में र 3 देखि 5 सम्म को पनि, but not 5. So in the union of these two sets, we can take the elements which are greater or equal to -2 and less than 5. -2 to 5, all real numbers, is the union of these two sets. Then take the intersection of these two. -2 देखि 4 यो स्ट्रेट लाइन में र 3 देखि 5 इसको कॉमन पार्ट यो common part is the part of the points which are on the right side of 3 and left side of 4, including 3 and 4. 3 belongs to both sets and also 4 belongs to both sets. X belonging to R such that one more step we may also write x satisfies both conditions greater or equal to -2, less or equal to 4 and x greater or equal to 3, less than 5. Thereafter we can write this. Both conditions will be satisfied only by those points which are greater or equal to 3, less or equal to 4. So this is the closed interval 3, 4. We say if you have to find a minus b, so from the part of a, exclude the part of b. By the definition of difference of two sets, a minus b is the set of those elements which belong to a but not in b. So excluding the part of b in this figure, what will remain in a? 3 belongs to b, so when you exclude, 3 will remove from a, and then the remaining element of set A is all the points which are on the right side of -2, including -2, and left side of 3, not 3. So it will be half open interval, -2 to 3 left closed right open interval. Similar way बाट b minus a delta b means a minus b union b minus a. त्यस्तै a complement. What is the universal set? What is the universal set? Universal set, as these sets are formed by taking the points of a straight line, so R is the universal set for these intervals. Set of all real numbers is the universal set. A complement. A complement is the set of those elements of the universal set which are not in the set A itself. So from the straight line, remove the part of A. A lies from -2 to 4. A lies from -2 to 4. And R, what are the end points of R? We cannot state, neither left end point nor right end point. These are represented by minus infinity and plus infinity. We cannot reach them. These are undefined. If we go on decrease the numbers, we cannot find the end. If we are increasing the numbers, getting positive values, we cannot find the largest number. So these are represented by minus infinity and plus infinity. Minus a, so when we exclude the part representing the line segment -2 to 4, what will remain? Remaining part, left side of -2, right side of +4. So a straight line बाट यो ब्रेक गर्ने, यो आउट गर्ने, that will be the complement of set A. When this part is excluded from the whole line, the remaining part will be on the left side of -2 and right side of 4. So this is the union of these two sets. So complement of A is the union of those elements which are union of the sets of those elements which are left side of -2 and right side of 4 on the number line. Same process बाट B complement यो गर्न सकिन्छ. यस्तै अरु पनि क्वेशन छ. ती सबै क्वेशन्सहरु 1 by 1 रियल नम्बर सिस्टममा सल्भ गर्ने. अर्को लेक्चरमा त्यसको डिस्कसन गर्छु र त्योसँग रिलेटेड क्वेशन्स पनि सल्भ गर्छु.
विद्यार्थी भाइ बहिनीहरु, मलाई लाग्छ आजको लेक्चरबाट रियल नम्बर सिस्टम को बारेमा र इन्टरभल को बारेमा त्यसको रिलेटेड क्वेशन्स बुझिसके होला. यस्तै अरु पनि भिडियो हेर्नको लागि सब्स्क्राइब द युट्युब च्यानल आर्ट अफ म्याथमेटिक्स विश्वनाथ यादव. I am committed to serve all the students staying home in this pandemic situation by making such videos. Thank you.